Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Experian. So I've been using Experian for about 5 years now, and it's completely free to use. And what I like about it is that it actually sends me alerts anytime my credit score goes down. So I'd say within the past 5 years, there's been like 4 fraudulent claims with, let's say, scammers or fraudulent acts of people using my name and signing up for different services. And so that would like decrease my credit score. So Experian does a really good job at actually going ahead and making sure that I'm notified when things like that occur. So in order to sign up, all you've got to do is go to Experian.com, then click on the Let's Get Started button. And then once you click on the Let's Get Started button, you just need to fill in the on-screen prompt. So it's going to ask you for your last four of your social and your mobile number, and then click on Get Started. Now, do keep in mind that Experian is completely secure. Okay, it's only used for verification, and I highly recommend it. So I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So it's a really simple sign in or sign up process, but let me know if you have any questions down below.